Welcome to Global Days Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. International Day of Nonviolence. What if peace isn't just an idea, but something we can live, every day, in every choice? On this International Day of Nonviolence, we bring you real stories of people who chose peace over pain, and how that choice changed everything. Stay tuned to the end. You might discover that you, too, have the power to make peace possible. Theme: ACT Now for a Peaceful World. On this International Day of Nonviolence, we come together to remember the power of peace. In a world filled with conflict, choosing non-violence is not just the right thing, it's the strongest thing. Non-violence is more than staying silent during conflict. It is the active choice to solve problems through peace, kindness, and understanding. It teaches us that strength is not shown by fighting, but by choosing calm over chaos. As individuals, non-violence helps us avoid hate and grow love. As a society, it brings healing where there is division. And as a nation, it leads to unity, progress, and true freedom. Non-violence is not weakness, it is wisdom in action. Let's remember, non-violence is not about avoiding problems, but about solving them with courage, truth, and care. The more we choose peace in small moments, the stronger our communities become. It starts with one person, one word, one action, and that person can be you. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this video and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more global events contents. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and welcome back. Now, Testimonies of Impact. Testimony 1. Joseph, 19. The youth leader. I used to be angry all the time, Joseph admits. In my school, fights were common. But then I joined a peace club, and we were taught how to handle conflict without violence. I started helping others stay calm, even when things got heated. Now, our school is safer, and I feel proud to lead by example. I never knew peace could feel this strong. Testimony 2. Grace, 34. The mother and mediator. Grace lived in a community often divided by tribal tensions. People didn't talk to each other, they fought, she says. But I joined a local peace-building group and learned how to mediate. I helped neighbors talk through their issues. Slowly, trust grew. We now work together, celebrate together, and protect each other's children. Peace brought us together like family. Thanking the unsung heroes, to all the quiet peacemakers, thank you. You may not wear medals, but your courage in choosing peace over violence saves lives. Your kind words, calm actions, and patient hearts are helping to build a better world. You remind us that real change begins with love and respect. To those watching, if you've never joined a peace effort or spoken up for non-violence, now is the time. You don't need a title or position, just a heart willing to help. Whether in your school, home, or community, your peaceful choices matter. Speak kindly, listen more, and stand for peace. The world needs you. Happy International Day of Nonviolence. Let's walk in peace, speak in peace, and live in peace. Together let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the quiet peacemakers who remind us that real change begins with love and respect. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe Tere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 4th of October, World Space Week. The 5th of October, World Teachers' Day. The 6th of October, World Habitat Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.